Are you finding it difficult to elicit clear and concise requirements from stakeholders?
Yes!
Does the process leave you feeling confused or overwhelmed, like a fog is clouding your mind?
Yes!
You are not alone. Many professionals struggle with confidence when gathering requirements, especially if they haven't had the proper training. But what if you could transform that uncertainty into clarity? Imagine becoming an A in gathering requirements. Where every interaction with stakeholders is smooth and productive. And your confidence shines in every step. You don't have to navigate this alone. If you are ready to master the art of requirements gathering and take your skills to the next level, click the link below and discover the solutions that will help you clear that fog for good.